This no content book is making over $5,000 per month, and the cool thing about is that you can create this under 10 to 20 minutes and you can make really passive income online. And I am talking about this book. This book is ranking 505 overall in the Amazon store, and it is selling 3,518 sale units per month, and it is selling 235 units per day, and this is earning around $1.44 per sale, and which accounts for $5,065 per every single month. So what that book is, in this video I am going to show you the exact niche, the keywords, and the sources for getting interiors. And this, you can get this interior for free, and you can make a very simple cover and start making money online using this very simple niche. And the niche is kindergarten writing paper or handwriting paper, handwriting practice paper. This is the niche, and I am going to show you exact books that are making over 1,000, and one book is making 5,000 per month. So let's have a look. I have already opened this book in new tab. This is kindergarten writing paper with lines for ABC kids, and this really book is, you can see, really easy to create cover and a very basic one. And just scroll down and you can see here the sales rank is 505 in books overall. This is bestseller in all three categories. So I have calculated the royalties in TCK royalty calculator, 505, and in the book section, and then hit calculate and you will get 3,518, and this very book is priced at 5.99. so let's check out the royalties he is earning. So I am using Tangent Templates pricing calculator. The interior is black, page count is around 100. Let's see the number of pages, 120. Page count is 120. You can also create a 100 page book as well. So if we put 120 and 5.99 the price, and that is 1.30, 1.30 into total sales per month, 3,518, 4,573. I just calculated the book under 100 pages, just 100 pages. There 100 pages is sufficient. Then you will be earning 1.44. If you are creating a 100 page book, you can earn $1.44 per month per sale, 1.44, and total sales are 3,518 into 3518, and that is $5,000 per month. If this book was only 100 pages, then it should be making 5,000. So let's have a look on second book, that is another book in the same niche, and that is handwriting practice paper for kids, and it is 200 pages book, and it is priced at 8.99. so it is ranking 5,402, 5402. so it is making 618 sales per day per month, and it is priced, and number of pages are, this is the third one, number of pages is 200 exactly. So 200 page book priced at $8.99 is making $2.14 per sale, and let's calculate the 2.14, and it is making 600 and selling 618 units per month. So it is making $1,322 per month. So now let's have a look at third one. I am showing all these books because making this such amount of sales is not possible for everybody, but you can expect this one. And the third one is 100-page book, independently published, and it is 13,731. It is easy to get to that number, 13,731, and 287 sales per month, priced at, it is low, priced a bit low, 5.95. 100-page book, 5.95. So it is making $1.42 per sale, and it is generating 287 sales. So 287 into 1.42. So it is making $407. That is not bad. It's quite great for a very easy to create low content book. So let's have a look at the keywords. If you put in handwriting practice paper in the Amazon search bar, and if you have installed this plugin from Self-Publishing Titan, that is Ultimate Amazon Search Suggestion Expander, then you will get some very good low volume and low competition keywords, like this one, handwriting practice paper, kids ages 2 and up. So open this in Amazon search bar. You can see handwriting practice paper for kids ages 2 and up is only 313 results. So you can expect and you can estimate the competition that is very low for that keyword, specific keyword. We can also find another keyword. So if we put handwriting practice paper and wait for the suggestion expander, then we will have some more low competition keywords for the niche. So here we can see handwriting practice paper with dotted line for ABC Kids. If we check this out in Amazon search bar, see again 391 results only. So this niche is very profitable, and you can make 1,000, even 2,000, even 3,000 per month if you create very good appealing cover to the audience. That is, you can see the covers. These are very simple to create. And now comes we have keywords, we have an idea of keywords, we have an idea of covers. Now let's have a look at where to get the interiors. I have opened this downloaded this interior, this one. You can download this for free from Bookbolt Interior Wizard. I have already opened this designer.bookbolt.io Interior Wizard. You can simply type Bookbolt Interior Wizard in Google, and you can get to this page, designer, something like that. Now just scroll down and come along this page, and then change the interior size to 8.5 into 11 and no bleed, and put here input the number of pages. If you put 120, it's fine. Then select this interior. Firstly you need to select the interior, then put number of pages, then click download. It will open in new tab. So here you can see the interior is already generated for you. Simply you can download this in PDF format, make a cover similar to this cover. You can get this ABC in graphics from Creative Fabrica as well, or Pixabay, things like that. Or in Canva you can also see these type of ABC letters beautifully created in Canva as well. So we have interior. If you don't like this interior, then you can always check out my interior at Creative Fabrica. I will leave the link in the description of this video. So this is our niche, this is our interior already done for you, and if you like, you can get this interior ABC handwriting practice paper worksheet. You can download this. This has also PDF PPTX editable file, and you can just erase these ABC letters from the top and you are good to go. So we have an idea of how to make money from no content books. Who says no content is oversaturated or there is no space to create no content books? That is totally wrong. This is before your eyes, handwriting practice paper with dotted lines for ABC Kids, 391 results, and this very book is making for same sort of type of interior is making how much? We have already seen this. It is ranked 505. It is making 3,518 sales every month. If this is exaggerated, then you can expect 3,000 sales as well. So that is all from me today. I will leave the link in the description for this page as well, and my interior as well. You are more than welcome to get my interior, and if you like to use this one, the choice is yours. So I am Subha Malik. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.